What is up, you guys? This is Rise Izzy, and today I need to try that all over again. What is up, you guys? It is Rise Izzy, and today on my video, I will be... let me try that again. What is up, you guys? This is Rise Izzy, and today on my video, I will be showing you a new part of the Amalfitano family. She's really little. She's only 2 months old. Her name is Fifi, and she is our new puppy. So let's go inside and I'm going to show you the puppy. I don't know if the puppy's asleep or not. So yeah. Tapatio, 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 tapatio. I am sorry about that. So you guys, this is my sister. Say hi, Bella.
Hi.
You saw her in my previous videos.
Hi, Bella.
And here is our new puppy, Fifi.
Let's
give
call
the
her
camera a
Puppy
kiss. Give the camera a kiss. Yeah, you know you love the camera. Alright, Fifi, that...
She's biting my nose.
She's biting your nose.
Yeah.
Sometimes she bites my toes. And yeah, that's pretty much weird. And I want to show you one more thing, so stay tuned. Alakazam! Alright, everybody. I am in my kitchen, and now I'm growing, yes, three of the hottest peppers in the world. I'm growing the Carolina Reaper. I don't know if you can see that. I can't even see that. I'm sorry, I'm just going to show you the tag. I'm growing the Carolina Reaper. Now, if you guys want any, my friends from school, if you're watching the video, if you guys want any, just tell me in the comments below, and I'll send them to you. Got some Carolina Reapers growing, some Trinidad Scorpion peppers. It's like a hottest pepper. Wait, put that back. Stay. Good job. Oh, you can see that now. Good job, Claire. High five. Alright, now there's the ghost pepper. It's gonna be growing ghost peppers. My sister said that she was crying because she wants to see the camera. She wants to be a movie star. Ready? Ready? Ching, ching, ching. Alright. Be you're ferocious. You're fierce. You're angry. Shut up, Bella. Alakazam! Alright, everybody. Now we are in my room. I know. I just noticed how to do jump cuts. So everybody, there's the puppy once. Here's the puppy once again.
What?
So now I am going to go back outside because my parents are annoying. I will sit down. Skip-a-doo. Alright, everybody. So now I am in my backyard. So this is the end of the video. So everybody, stay tuned for next time. And like always, bye.